Hello, and welcome to Explain the Charts. Today, June 25th, 2025, we're dissecting Intel, INTC, merging the latest news with in-depth chart analysis. Recent headlines are buzzing about Intel's restructuring, including halting the automotive business and striking an AI deal with Accenture. We'll correlate these events with price movements to gauge their impact. Let's start with the one-day chart for a broad overview. Looking at the daily chart, we see a significant downtrend over the past year. After starting the year around $44, Intel plummeted to the $20 range. There's been some recovery, but it's still trading significantly lower. Notice the large red candle from early August 2024, likely driven by the disappointing financial results and leadership uncertainty reported at the time. The most recent candles are hovering around the $22 range. Let's zoom into the more recent data to get a better view. Now looking at more recent data, we see a brief rally followed by a pullback. It seems to have found some support around the $20 range. It hit as high as $22.55, but has since traded lower to about $22.45. Let's switch over to the 1-hour chart to get a more detailed view. On the 1-hour chart, we can see more granular price action. There's some short-term support around the 20.50 range and resistance around 22.50. A break above this resistance could signal a bullish move. However, a drop below $20.50 could lead to further downside. Let's narrow in on the last couple of days to get the most relevant picture. Examining the latest hourly candles, we can see some volatility. The price has bounced between 21.00 and 22.50. A decisive move beyond these levels will be important. Let's move to the 15-minute chart for a closer look. On the 15-minute chart, we observe choppy price action, indicating indecision in the market. Key levels to watch are the intraday support around $21.30 and resistance near $22.60. A sustained break above $22.60 might suggest renewed bullish momentum, possibly fueled by positive sentiment surrounding the AI deal. However, failure to hold above $21.30 could signal further weakness, potentially driven by ongoing concerns about competition from AMD and NVIDIA. For short-term traders, look for breakouts from these ranges. Long-term investors should monitor news related to Intel's restructuring and its progress in the AI market. In summary, Intel is currently range-bound. Key price levels to watch are $20.50 as support and $22.60 as resistance. A break below $20.50 could lead to a test of the previous lows in the $18 to $20 range, with a 60% probability if negative news persists regarding Intel's turnaround efforts. Conversely, a breakout above $22.60 could target $24, with a 40% probability if the AI deal and restructuring show positive results. Monitor upcoming earnings reports and news related to the chip foundry business. Keep an eye on overall market sentiment and any geopolitical developments that could impact chip stocks. Good luck, and thanks for watching Explain the Charts.